Are you overwhelmed by endless tasks and missed opportunities in your business? Imagine transforming this chaos into streamlined success. With SmartTechGenius CRM, you can automate tasks and boost profitability in just 72 hours. Entrepreneurs often face the daunting challenge of managing leads, appointments, and client communication. This struggle can feel like an uphill battle, leaving you exhausted and stressed. But what if there was a better way? Introducing SmartTechGenius CRM, your ultimate solution for business efficiency. This revolutionary system automates lead generation, appointment scheduling, and personalized marketing, freeing you to focus on what truly matters. Consider Jessica, a talented photographer who felt invisible in a crowded market. No matter how hard she worked, her inquiries were few and her calendar often remained empty. But after implementing SmartTechGenius CRM, everything changed. Her inquiries skyrocketed overnight and her once empty calendar filled up with bookings. In just 2 weeks, Jessica went from feeling lost to being fully booked, transforming her photography business into a thriving, in-demand service. But Jessica's story isn't unique. Let's talk about Tom, the owner of a local fitness studio. Tom had incredible services and loyal clients, but he couldn't seem to scale beyond his neighborhood. He spent hours managing bookings, chasing leads, and struggling to keep up with follow-ups, all while missing opportunities to grow. After adopting SmartTechGenius CRM, Tom was able to automate his scheduling and client engagement. Within just 1 month, Tom's bookings doubled and his client retention soared. Not only did he fill his calendar, but he also expanded his reach beyond his local market, gaining clients from multiple cities. Now Tom is even on track to open a second studio. Many small businesses unknowingly sabotage their success with inefficient systems. Missed leads and disorganized operations can steal your profits and peace of mind. Don't let this be your story. Take control today. SmartTechGenius CRM offers automated lead generation, effortless scheduling, and real-time analytics. These features are essential for unlocking your business's full potential, allowing you to make data-driven decisions confidently. For a limited time, we're offering a free business growth accelerator package to the first 25 action takers. This includes a personalized strategy session and custom CRM setup. Act now before this exclusive offer disappears. Imagine waking up to an inbox full of new leads and a calendar booked with eager clients. This is your chance to transform your business. Click the link below to claim your exclusive offer and start your journey to success.